So what we got is a 69 fastback Mustang. As you can see, it's pretty rough. I started on it yesterday. It was pretty well far apart. I just started cutting out the floor. I got a one-piece floor sitting over there that I made. That's gonna go right up in here. I just have to take out the inner rockers yet. I'm just doing a quick video on my phone just to make it easy here so that I can post a little bit more. I'm going to be working on the front end here today. As you can see, the A-pillar, it's pretty toasted. So I got to go get some new A-pillars here today. That was one thing I didn't grab. It was smashed on both sides. You can see that cowl side panel is smashed in. It's supposed to be a nice bubble. Just how rusty everything's getting replaced. It's getting upper lower cowl, firewall, the inner cowl side panel, the outer one, A-pillars. It has a nice roof on it. Inner structure's not bad. Someone before cut the B-pillars up, of course, so I have to put new B-pillars in also. Inner structure's nice. It just needs cleaned up a little bit. That surface rust is all, and it'll get primered. You can see there's a one-piece floor I have waiting for it. Did that first. But it's not a bad car. I saved it from a junkyard. It was just about to get scrapped, and I just couldn't let it go. So I collected sheet metal for it for a while, and now it's time to put it back together. The inner wheelhouses are surprisingly not bad. You can see I removed all the spot welds to save it there. Now I'm looking to have it done this month. I'm going to shoot for that end of December, so I'm going to be posting some videos up on it, and you can follow along and see the progress on it. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's at Peterson_restorations, and I'll put up pictures pretty much every day on it. Here's some of the parts here. Doors, full quarters. There's all the cowl side panel pieces that I got to do. Got a bunch of the metal sitting over here. The fenders, trunk lid, wheelhouses, radiator support, shock tower assemblies are back there, the firewall. Just boxes of all new metal there. Some of the original parts that I got to clean up yet. And there's the 67 that I just did. This one I just made a video on it yesterday, so I gotta upload that. That'll be coming next. Hopefully, maybe tonight or tomorrow I can put that up. But this one here is for sale as we speak. It's a 67 fastback. It's a A-code car. It comes with a lot of the original parts. I have all the interior screwed in place. But that got just about as much metal. If you're interested to see how this ends up, follow along. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell. You can get notifications whenever I post another video on this. I'm going to try and post more. Like I said, I'm doing this on my phone so I can just right away upload it and make it easy for me. I'm just going to try it out and stay tuned. I'll have another video this week.